X6 Violent Fan, the ultimate dust-busting powerhouse. Meet the X6 Violent Fan, a game-changing cleaning tool designed to tackle dirt and dust like never before. Powered by a high-speed 140,000 RPM brushless turbo motor, this device delivers a mind-blowing 53 ms/s airflow to blast away even the toughest debris. Whether you're cleaning electronics, furniture, or tight corners, the X6 ensures spotless results every time. This innovative blower is equipped with Type-C charging, ensuring lightning-fast recharges so you can get back to work without delay. Designed for both home DIY enthusiasts and professional cleaners, the X6 combines exceptional power with user-friendly portability. Its lightweight, ergonomic design makes it easy to handle, while the advanced turbojet technology ensures quieter, yet more efficient operation. Built to last, this AC-powered airblower by trusted brand ISFriday is perfect for maintaining clean, dust-free spaces in your home, workshop, or office. From delicate cleaning tasks to heavy-duty jobs, the X6 can do it all. Upgrade your cleaning game with the X6 Turbojet Fan, the perfect blend of power, speed, and convenience. Take on dirt, dust, and debris with confidence, and experience unmatched cleaning performance like never before.